Hey geometry students, so today with 10.1 we learned about different isosceles and equilateral triangle theorems. And so we're going to apply this in homework problem number 22 right here. So we notice that these two angles are congruent to each other. They're both 60 degrees. So that means that these two sides that they're across from are the same. But they have two different variables in them. So we can't just set them equal to each other right away. So since these are both 60 and the angles of a triangle add up to 180, that tells us that this third angle over here is also 60. It's an equilateral triangle and equal angular triangle as well. So that means that since they're all across from 60-degree angles, all three of these sides are the same. So to solve for x, what we need to do is set 5x minus 3 equal to 4. So our first equation is going to be 5x minus 3 equals 4. So adding 3 to both sides, we get 5x equals 7. Dividing by 5 on both sides, we get that x is 7/5. So x is going to be 7/5. And then we're going to have to do a different equation in order to solve for y. So we're going to take 2y plus 6 and also set it equal to 4. So 2y plus 6 equals 4. So subtracting 6 from both sides, we get 2y equals negative 2. Dividing by 2 on both sides, we get that y equals negative 1. All right. So we should end up with y equals negative 1 and x equals 7/5. And they might seem like weird numbers to have, but remember that's just for the variable. So that's not the length of the side itself, that's just the variable. All the side lengths end up being 4. And you can check it if you want to. You can plug in negative 1 back in for y, or you could plug 7/5 back in for x, and you should get 4 for each of those side lengths. So there we go.